Well, hello everyone. It's the Angelic Soul Pilot, Gianni Briatko, back with you again. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Back out in nature again, and I'm guided to channel some messages to you from the divine. It all starts with this little feather right here. I found this on the way to my car, on the way to coming here. And that's why I'm being moved to do this channeling for you. So just close your eyes and receive these messages that are coming through now. And just focus on bringing your attention to your inner world. Calling on our highest spirit guides and angels to be with us. Sensing powerful, loving, healing light energy all around us as our beautiful beings of light come in. Start to hear beautiful songbirds all around you, chirping and singing, letting you know that the angels are here with you now. And they would like you to know that they are always with you. Every single day since the day you were born to this very day, and for the rest of your life, and even the afterlife, and all your future lives, your angels are always there, supporting you, carrying you through every single day, every single moment, helping you find a way to make it through, bringing you the energy you need, bringing you the love that you need, bringing you the light that you need, bringing you the hope, bringing you the faith, bringing you the resilience, the determination. They're always with you. And they bring you signs to let you know, if you're lucky enough, if when it's meant to be, they bring signs for you to see. Signs like little feathers that you might find on the ground, or pennies, maybe a song on the radio that you hear, and the words are exactly what you need to hear at that time. Or you wake up from a dream and have a song in your head, again with the words you need to hear. Or something someone says and you overhear it. Seeing a billboard as you're driving by. And what's written down is exactly what you need to read. Seeing repeated number patterns, 111, 1111, 333, 234, 456. All beautiful messages, very clear messages. They would like you to acknowledge all these messages all the time, to notice and acknowledge, and to let go of any doubt, let go of any insecurity or uncertainty, I want you to know without any doubt whatsoever that in fact these are your guides, these are your angels. God is speaking to you through them, through the power of love, bringing you the guidance you need at that time, bringing you the encouragement. Really soak in those messages and those truths. These are not accidents, these are not coincidences, these are not rationalizations or your imagination. These are all the truth. The more you keep your imagination open and allow it to run wild, the more you open that doorway to the divine. And the divine is coming through. So allow it to come through, knowing that you are safe, knowing they're here to help you, they're here to reassure you that you have a powerful support team, powerful loving presence at your back and on your sides and right in front of you, laying the groundwork for you, laying your pathway, giving you the tools you need to move forward, reminding that you got everything you need within you, that you have feathers, you have wings on your back, spiritual wings, and you can fly. You can spread your wings and fly, free and high, knowing that you are enough and that anything is possible for you. And start to notice now heavenly rain coming down from above. Feel those water droplets start to pour down over your skin. Feel that cool, refreshing water. And know that yet again, it's another sign from the divine. You are being cleansed and you are being purified. Your aura is being cleansed and purified. You are being washed clean of any residual doubts or any residual fears or uncertainties. All of that being washed away. Take a moment, take a nice big deep breath. Breathing in that cleanliness, beautiful energy, and releasing everything else. You are being made new again. Beautiful, cleansing rain from the divine. An angelic shower of beautiful energy washing over you. Take time to feel gratitude for these beautiful signs and for the fact that your guides and angels and God, the energy of love and light, is with you now and always. Bringing that knowing, bringing all those energies into yourself, into your mental, emotional, physical body, and your spiritual body. Coming back slowly into your physical body now, coming back slowly to this time and this place, taking as much time as you need. Getting ready to start opening your eyes, but only when you're ready. Knowing that you are supported and loved and have everything you need to spread your angel wings and fly.